Hey, how's everyone today? So this is the video of my new Bachmann DCC and WoW sound equipped GP35 CN rail, and we're going to get it fired up and get it to do a bunch of different sounds. It is very loud. I haven't turned down the volume on it yet, but I will get to that at some point in time. So here we will fire it up. I'm not sure why the bell turned on like that, but it did. So we'll go through a couple functions. There's the bell, of course. And we got... And the horn sounds really good on these WoW sound decoders. Yeah, they sound really good. And let's turn the brightness of the light up and down. That does sound pretty cool. I'm really impressed with that. And I'll make it go to the different group functions. If you hit F8 twice, it'll take it to the different functions.
Night mode active.
So that's night mode active. I don't want that.
Function page 2.
I don't want function 2. I want function page 3, so I'll hit it again twice.
Function page 3.
There we go. Now we got different horn options. I haven't nearly gone through everything yet, but it is pretty cool. And in function page 3, you can also pick your different kind of horns too. So I'll hit F4, and I can cycle through horn options.
Leslie RS3.
And then we'll pick a different one.
Leslie RS3L.
Let's try one more, then we'll get it going.
Nathan K3.
Yeah, the horns sound pretty good on it. So I'm going to zoom it out. I haven't gone through like literally like a quarter of the options that it has. So I'm going to put this right here. Let's get her going a little bit. I only got it set on 2. And I have my CV set for acceleration and deceleration on 60. So it helps it speed match up the sound a little bit. And I'll do my best to follow it here with my phone. It is really loud. Like, it's loud enough, it's actually hurting my ears. So I definitely have to figure out how to turn it down. And then I'll do the braking process here. Hit the brakes. Give it a couple horn toots. I think that is really neat. It sounds really good. I can guarantee you that, you know, they listening to it recorded from a cell phone and uploading it to YouTube doesn't do it any justice. The phone's probably causing distortion as it's trying to record because it is really loud. That's really neat. I'm going to put it back down to function page 1. So I'll hit F8 twice.
Function page 1.
There we go. Function page 1. Then I got my regular horn settings. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Oh, my cat's coming in. Oh, what kind of destruction is this cat gonna cause? The cat's photo bombing. No, we got photo bombing going on. Unpredictable cat. He wants to come do some photo bombing and probably lay on the track. Alright, let's get it going around for another loop, if the cat allows it. No, doesn't look like it. No, it's not happening. Oh well. His name's Alex. He's really cool though. Really friendly cat. So, well, we got it to go around once, but unfortunately the cat kinda photobombing here. Maybe I'll toot the horn at him, see what happens. Oh, he did move out of the way for a second. Alright, let's get the train going. I'm going to put it up to notch 3 and get moving. Uh-oh, here comes Catzilla. Oh, goodness. He usually doesn't attack. But he just wants attention. I know, Alex, bud, I know. I love you so much. Alright, man, that Ent locomotive is loud. Loud. Wow almighty. Alright, let's get the horn going a few times again. Uh-oh, we got tail. Oh no. Oh, we had collision. The collision happened. It was inevitable. I don't think it hurt you very much, did it, bud? No, not at all. Oh, this is kind of turning into like a cat video. Hey, bud, can I have a nuzzle? Have a nuzzle? Oh, there we go. I got some nuzzles. But yeah, I really like Bachmann because they're to me personally. I know everyone has their different views, but for me personally, they're great value for the buck. In my personal opinion, they are. And you know, to get to buy something like an Athearn Genesis or a Rapido, you know, Broadway Limited, a Cato, you know, you're gonna pay double the amount or even more. So that's why for me, I really like the Bachmann because they fit my budget good, and for half the price or more, you get yourself, fully loaded DCC sound equipped, and I always find, the Bachmann's not going to have the detail, of, for example, an Athearn Genesis, I expect that. You're not going to get that. You can always add your own details too. But I like the value of them, and they're easy to work on. They're so easy to maintain. They're simply built, and I think they're built like tanks. And that's why I like them. Simple to maintain, simple to work on, simple to pull apart and put back together. And they're great for me. I had to take I took all the other locomotives off the track just to get this guy ripping around. They weren't really going to get in the way, but they were pretty noisy on their own too. But if anyone's thinking of getting a Bachmann, a modern Bachmann DCC and wound sound equipped, I'd say go for it. I'm definitely not disappointed. You just got to keep in mind, you're not going to have the details of an Athearn Genesis or a Rapido or Broadway Limited. There's other, brand names too. But it is nice. it has separately added grab rails, which I'm really happy with. That's a big pet peeve of mine. So I like, and if I buy an old locomotive that doesn't have them, I'll make my own out of twist tie metal. So I don't mind doing that. It is all good. Oh, the cat. He just wants attention all the time. Every day, every second. But normally he I almost dropped the tripod. He's fairly careful around the trains, which is good. Alright, let's move this thing up a little bit. And then that'll probably be it for the video. Just a nice slow crawl. Oh yeah, that's a nice crawl. Like that thing is like just creeping. That's really impressive. This is a really good crawling locomotive. That is excellent. Let's give the horn a couple toots. You know what? I think this locomotive is probably one of my best crawlers. It's that is a nice crawling low speed. That is very impressive. Alright, let's bring her to a stop. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, it does have keep alives. So if your track's a bit dirty, and it's going to reduce the power interruptions. So I will shut it off, and then we'll count how many seconds the keep alive will keep it going. So here, I'll hit power off here, and let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say about 4.5, 5 seconds. I had it last a little longer, but if you hit a dirty part of the track, it's nice to have instead of having a immediate power interruption. But I better end this video for now. Everyone take care. Have a good day. And feel free to like and I'm getting tongue-tied. Feel free to like and subscribe if you wish. All right. Have a good one, everyone.